And welcome to today's video. Today, Dan has bought some brand new tanks. He's a good lad, isn't he? Look at these! Woohoo! There's one in already, I'll show you in a sec. Happy with that. So, two shiny new tanks, both identical to each other, 160 litres each they will hold, made out of marine grade aluminium. This where I'm sitting now is where the original tank was. That's where this one is going. You see the three struts here, and then also these blocks to actually tie to. Well, what we've got to do is similar here. Obviously these are now cut. We're going to resin these and then stick them in and clean all this up, and then stick a couple of blocks here and here to help hold that tank in. Now the tank's been dropped in, you see it's sitting on those three, and it's keeping the tank level. Winner. But yeah, with a few adjustments, a few alterations to the hull, we should have them fitted in no time. Fingers crossed, the weather holds out for us. But yeah, thank you very much for watching this very short video. If you want to know anything else that we're doing, please visit the website challengebritain.uk, and also make sure you follow us on Instagram at challengebritain, and also Facebook, all that, everything is at challengebritain. We really do appreciate your support, and comment on what you want to see in the future, and keep commenting on what you think about what we're doing. It all brings the community together, and that's what we're here for. We want to inspire you. So, without further ado, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell, whatever. And we will see you in the next one. Bye.